Welcome to the Panda Clan and a 2019 goodbye tag. Favorite memory of 2019? The birth of my daughter. Something looking forward to in 2019. Her birthday. What are you doing for New Year's? We might watch the ball drop, but by then we'll probably fall asleep. Highest achievement 2019. Becoming a mother. Most worn clothing 2019. Flannels. I love flannels. Jeans. My Skechers walking shoes. My Fitbit. Ponytails. Of course, ponytails. Best book read 2019. The Folk of the Air. I'm on book 2. I like it so far. Did the year go by fast for you? Yeah, I think it went really fast this year. What did you do differently in 2020? I don't think I'll do anything different. I also want to say thank you so much for all the subscribers. We hit 60 by New Year's, so thank you so much. Thank you so much for liking and commenting, and I love all of your support. If you have not yet subscribed, do it down below. Thank you for watching.